Ipinag-utos ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang investigasyon sa report na pagbabalik umano ng operasyon ng iligal na droga sa New Bilibid Prison. Ayon kay Presidential Spokesperson Ernesto Abella, kinausap na ni PNP Chief Ronald Bato de la Rosa si Pangulong Duterte para palitan na ang PNP Special Action Force ng Philippine Marines para tiyakin ang pagwawakas ng iligal na gawain. Sa harap ito ng pahayag ni Justice Secretary Vitaliano Aguirre na bumalik na naman ang illegal drug operation sa Bilibid at umano'y sangkot ang ilang na-deploy na staff sa kulungan. Pagtitiyak ni Abella, makakaasa ang publiko na nananatili ang commitment ng Duterte administration na wakasan ng iligal na droga sa bansa. Nauna nang pinalitan ng staff ang pagbabantay sa NBP matapos isangkot si dating Justice Secretary at Senador Laila de Lima at ilang pang Bureau of Corrections officials na umano'y sangkot sa operasyon ng iligal na droga.
Philippine National Police Chief Ronald de la Rosa has already talked to the President on the deployment of Marines to replace the SAF personnel in the Bilibid, which was put on hold and it was overtaken by events because of the Marawi Rebellion. Again, we just like to say that the discovery and neutralization of drug syndicates operating in the National Penitentiary is one of the highlight accomplishments of the government's war against illegal drugs, and the reported resumption of the drug trade and involvement of SAF in the Bilibid prison underscore the enormity of the drug problem and the need to destroy the entire drug apparatus to fully succeed in our campaign. As the President has stated, we will be relentless. Investigation is now underway to probe drug-related activities and collusions, if any, of authorities.